Hi everyone, welcome back to the Appalachian Mountains. The weather here changes every day. One moment it is cold and bright with sun, then clouds roll in and snow begins to fall, and everything freezes in an instant. And then, just quietly, the sun returns again. But none of that stops me and my dog from going out up the hill in the mountains. We walk, we breathe, and we share the silence together. Out here, we find freedom and peace. These are the small, simple, but beautiful moments that teaches me what life truly is.
Nemo is on his mission. Nemo! Can you hear me? Come to mama.
Simple, meaningful, and absolutely priceless.
Oh boy.
Coming back into the camper, I am still working on insulation. It takes so much time and effort to finish it all. And this camper came to me with this bed topper that is made from a cheap recycled synthetic fibers and treated with chemicals. And honestly, it has been not only very uncomfortable, but also painful to sleep on for my injured back. So when the night comes, it was like a torture for my body that also irritates me mentally because I lost my sleep. And to be honest with you, sleep has been already difficult for me. My mind does not rest easily with the war in Ukraine and my family is still there. I wake up every day wondering what news might come. That constant worry stays with me. Even when I try to stay positive and focus on the good, it is not easy to relax physically, emotionally, or mentally. People don't always see that part. They see strengths and survival, but not how much it takes inside. After weeks of very little sleep, I finally decided to remove this topper completely. I do not know where the energy came from, maybe from anger, but one early morning at 6 a.m. I pulled it out and started insulating the floor instead. Because cold air comes through the floor so easily, I think improving the insulation will help far more in the long run. Step by step, I am trying to make this space warmer and safer for my pets and myself. And I know it's not perfect and definitely not my style, but surviving through the winter and be safe is more important than anything. Now that I have removed that awful topper, I'm glad I still have my twin memory foam mattress today. It is old and not perfect either, but even on a bare plywood, it feels far better than that synthetic fiber before. Life keeps me busy most of the time. There's always something to fix, to build, or solve. But I have learned that no matter how full the day becomes, I need to pause sometimes. I can feel the energy of my dog, and in many ways we feel each other. I notice when he needs connection, and I know when it's time to stop everything and give him those few minutes of presence. Just sitting together, letting him know I'm here. Those small moments matter more than people realize. I never want him to feel alone. He has been beside me through so much, and his loyalty is simple and pure. There's no judgment, no expectation, just trust, companionship, and a quiet understanding. On the following days, I continued working on insulation, and this time I moved to the ceiling. I managed to get some white thin foam, and I'm trying to use it before the freeze storm arrives, which is expected to be even worse than what we are experiencing right now. Guys, I just want to share with you. This is a foam. I put it in this area doesn't have a foam, and I can see the difference in temperature. This is really, really cold, almost like icy. And this one, not at all. I can see the big difference. Oh my goodness, that I think should help a lot. And I'm also going to be covering with a 10 mm foil foam. So I think it's going to really help to protect the heat. But my lord, what a difference. Oh, so you know, it's working. 2020 that hit 6 and 7-figure run rates. That's what you have to do in order to survive. Right, Nemo? Couldn't finish in the bathroom, wasn't enough, but at least something. Still have to work on this ceiling.
To me in China, people come up and say, "You changed my life," and I always remind them, I didn't change the life you did, but glad I got to help. What happened? And then they tell me stories. And outside my family, there's nothing that gives me more joy than to hear those stories. Well, you've done that for me.
I am super, super tired, and I'm so glad my working hours for today are over. And now I'm ending this evening with a warm cup of herbal tea and a sugar-free muffin that I made and truly deserve. Moments like this help me slow down and relax better. And now it's time to rest so I can wake up with a new energy and continue this project again tomorrow.
I just realized when we have summer, we want winter to cool down. When we have winter, we want summer to warm up. And well, guess what? Your wishes come true. So take it and appreciate it.
Nemo's meditation for the morning. Yes, he wants to make sure he got it all. Dory already got her treatment, so she's quiet now.
Life is so good, Nemo. Yes, life is good. We're gonna believe it's gonna just get better. And then... And then...
Alright, everyone, this is where I will close for today. This is my current situation in the middle of the January, doing my best to improve my living space and prepare for winter in a simple and practical way. It is not always easy, but step by step, I keep moving forward.
You my helper. You my helper.
I hope I didn't overwhelm you with too many projects today. Sometimes I look around and wonder how I ended up doing all of this myself. Thank you for being here again and sharing this journey with me. I wish you a peaceful and positive week ahead, and I hope to see you back here soon. Goodbye for now.
You